Do you know, millions of years ago, dinosaurs lived on our planet. Some of them were herbivores, while some of them were carnivores. Where do you think such huge animals disappeared? They became extinct. Every single one of them died because they could not adapt themselves to the changing environment. Adaptation is a phenomenon in which organism changes physically to adapt themselves to their habitat and surroundings. Those who cannot adapt die like the dinosaurs. The animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. These animals have well-developed legs to walk, run, hop, and jump on the land. They have lungs that help them to breathe. They have highly developed sense organs that help them to sense even the slightest change in their surroundings. Animals like penguin and the polar bear that live in extremely cold regions have a thick layer of fat under their skin. It keeps them warm. Bears also hibernate. That is, they sleep throughout the winter months to escape the harsh cold weather. Camels have long legs that keep their bodies safe from the heat radiating from the sand of the desert. They have hooves that help them walk easily on the loose sand. They can live without water for many days. Aquatic animals. The animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish have fins that help them swim in water. Turtles and whales have paddle-like flippers that they use to move in water. Fish and crab uses gills to breathe. Amphibian. The animals that live both on land and water are called amphibians. Frogs have limbs with webbed feet that help them swim in water. They breathe through lungs when on land and through the moist skin when in water. Aerial animals. The animals that spend most of the time in the air are called aerial animals. The animals that can fly have wings. Most birds and insects can fly. Birds have streamlined body which help them cut through the air easily while flying. They have hollow bones which make their bodies light enough for flight. They have feathers that also helps them in flying. Arboreal animals. Some animals live on trees. Such animals are called arboreal animals. Monkeys, squirrels are examples of arboreal animals. They have a tail that helps them climb and jump from tree to tree.